Sarah? Hi. Would you like a dill pickle chip? Want to try a piece? Okay, there's a little tiny piece. That's not tasty, is it? Yeah. You don't like it? Drink some juice. It'll help it feel better. Drink some juice.
Mama.
More. Really? Okay, have another piece. Another little tiny piece. I guess she likes it. Is it good? Really? It's interesting, huh? Oh, you don't like it?
Mama.
More? You want another dill pickle chip? Have another piece. Mmm. Don't stick your tongue out at me.
For some reason this doesn't work.
Mmm.
Mama.
More what? More.
It's on or off.
Please?
On. But it's not going.
Maybe the remote needs batteries. Please? Does the remote have batteries in it?
Let me see.
Sarah? Want some more? Vroom. Big truck.
Come on. I can't figure because it said, I don't know if you had to push this down or not.